Hey everybody, and how's it going? This is Umair from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we are going to be discussing how to redeem Delta Companion Certificate, or we are also going to be talking about what is Delta Companion Pass. So basically, before we dive into the video, I would like to take a moment to head over to the link in the description, and there you can find a link to donate to our channel. So basically you can officially support our content and videos if you feel like they're providing you guys value. So basically, what is Delta Companion Pass? Now, if you are using Delta services and you're just traveling with them, and so they if you are a regular customer, they offer you a Delta Companion Pass and also Delta Companion Certificate, and using that you can simply use that for discounts and save up taxes. And you can see that the Delta Companion Certificates lets you book a 2 round trip ticket within the US for cost of 1 plus taxes and fees up to $75. It comes with some Delta co-branded cards, but not all certificates allow premium cabin fares, and none allow international travel. So now basically how to actually get one. So the Delta Companion ticket work there. Basically there are a few rules. So the first one is eligible fare classes vary by card, as you can see. Now to get it, you're going to be using the Delta um, services. So make sure that you are regularly using this. You can see we have a set of cards as well. So we have Delta Sky Miles, Platinum American Express. We have Delta Sky Miles Reserve American, Platinum Business, and Reserve Business. So for that, you're going to be simply applying to them, and yeah, that's how you can achieve them. So also make sure that you fill all the fields. Yeah, make sure that the information you provide is authentic and everything is up to date, and you will be most likely eligible to get one. So yeah, I hope this helped. If it did so, make sure to let us know in the comments, and also head over to the description to simply support to our channel as well. Subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.